My military influence impacted my parenting by the way the military is. We're very suck it up and move forward. And that's how I was with my first daughter, who's 16, and my two toddlers. And the Strong Family Together group has actually smoothed those edges out and allowed me to have better communication levels with them.
The transition from the military is where the core of it starts. Discharging and becoming a veteran, we're able to give them that wraparound service depending on their need or whatever barrier they might need help in dealing with.
At the core of our services are peer navigation and mental health services, which we tailor to meet the unique needs of our military and veteran families.
This program is important because it's family-centered. It's also important because it reaches a demographic that while there are a lot of services available for them, they're not always well advertised or well known, and so we can be a conduit to help these families connect to services they may otherwise not know about.
No one ever asked me and my siblings, did we ever need help? So to now have a program like Strong Family, Strong Children is very important for the family to become more stable.
We have different programs which the clinicians do to really help bring back that communication between the family that can sometimes be a barrier, whether it be between spouses or parent and child. We're able to build that support.
Having peer navigators and clinicians that come from military families, not just veterans, but some of us are children of veterans. So we understand all those unique needs. And I think that's what makes SFSC different than other programs, is that we have that shared experience.
When I speak to a mother or a father who's a veteran, and then they hear that I also spent time in the military, it shifts the dynamic in a way where now we're speaking the same language and they feel more comfortable and they're able to share things that maybe they wouldn't share otherwise.
We don't want them to feel like they're just a number. We make sure that there's a linkage that's being made to those resources that we provide the families so that they can become more stable.
My family and I have benefited from the program, Strong Family, Strong Children, in many different ways, still benefiting from it, just with all the tools that I've learned in the class that I apply it every day. So it's made my relationship with my family much stronger.
Dads Together absolutely helped me be more patient. When I first got out of the military, I was extremely on edge, but I moved away from that, and Dads Together has helped that for sure. I'm learning how to have a better communication level with my child, my spouse, and even people around me. I would never have had that initiative had Dads Together had not have brought that out.
Our program is not only about bringing in military-connected families, it's about monitoring the effectiveness and impact, not only for the families, but the community as well.
I would strongly recommend this program to not only veterans, but anyone in the community that has children, works with children, or wants to work with children. Golden team, for sure.
I was once asked, tell me one word that describes what we do with the families. And the word that I chose was hope, because we help other people excel.